Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing some more Slime Rancher. Yeah, this is gonna be episode 2. So I hope you enjoy. We're gonna be I'm gonna be going on the other one I played on yesterday. I only did a little extra stuff. Yeah, a little incident happened with my blue slimes, so yeah, you'll see. Oops. Yeah, so over here, last night I quickly made a carrot farm, and I made this pogo fruit. So this is pogo fruit, and then carrots. Crap. And yep, this is what happened. The awesome thing about Largos, though, is that, so, I'm just gonna take up everything. Ow, 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 that hurts. Ow! Yeah, so Largos, there was Largos yesterday, so that happened. The awesome thing about Largos, though, is that, so these rock slimes, they usually only eat veggies, but now that they're mutated with the pink slimes, they will actually eat anything, because that's what the pink slimes did. So now I can feed them anything, and they'll eat it, and now I get both plorts, and I don't even have to give them good types of food. So, wow, pink plorts are very bad price today. Only $5, and then these ones off price too, but I mean, it's good. Now these are the tabby slimes. I'm gonna actually go get those right now. And then those guys, those you can only get at night, so I might be getting those in a different episode, I'm not sure. And then, also I made a chicken farm right up there. I'll show you later once maybe I get like a roostro. Roostro is just like a hen. Yeah. So, let's go see what we can find. I'm going to be getting some more carrots and get more plorts, the pink plorts. Probably going to have to get rid of them or the carrots or something. No, I'm going to get rid of the pogo fruit because I have like at least about 20 at home. Soon I'm going to want to upgrade my storage so I can hold 30 because, I mean, pogo fruit and stuff, it adds up quickly, so. Yeah, these are the rock slimes, and then I don't like their Largos, but you kind of need them at one point, and then here's a tabby slime. Tabby slimes eat meat, so that's the only downside about them. Because since they only eat meat, I have to get a roostro so I can start. Ooh, what is this area? Oh, this is the big version of that one thing. And then these are one of those treasure pods. I need to buy something, though, to be able to open those. And then this is the death zone, I think. Ah! Ow! Run. Now, those ones are pink slime Largos mixed with lava slimes. And then up here is a key of... Yep. Frick. Rooster, please. Come on, bro. There's no. Oh! I can get up there if I get the jet. Frick you, stupid slimes. Okay, we gotta get out of the slime area. These are the tabby slimes. I'm gonna see if I can get any, No! Come on. Dang it, this sucks. There's no roostros here, so. No! Crap, I just killed. And over there's an. What is my thing right now? I keep on throwing stuff. Over here, I actually know a trick so you can actually hop over that. So I'm gonna go over there and get that. Because over there is actually a honey slime, and then these are. I'm sorry, pogo fruits. These are, what do you call them? Q-berries. So I'm actually going to get these and go sell them. I mean, not sell them. Sell the pink plorts and then sell these Q-berries. Because I think later in this, I'm going to start to need those. And we're probably going to get maybe like, wait. No, we're going to get, once we sell all this stuff, we're going to get $100, I think. Maybe. All the pink plorts. Let me just do math really quick in my head. Yeah, we'll get at least 100, I think. So yeah, let's go sell this. So if I'm right, we should be at $186 once I sell all these. Pogo fruit's almost done. So let's see. Was I right? Yep. So we got exactly 186. Now I'm gonna put in my tabby slimes right there, and guess for the time being now I can just feed them with these ones because I don't need them really. I'll leave 3 in here for the roostro to mate with once I get enough. Tabby! Right there. Eat them, butter. Eat them! Yeah, poop for me. So now we got all their plorts. And we're gonna go sell these, and this is gonna be, $54. Boom, baby. Now we got 240. How did you get out? Oh. Where'd the other one go? You thought. Okay, what is happening? Yeah, I forgot that they can actually jump the fence. So we're gonna have to get rid of them, sadly. No! So, bye. Dang it, I need them to come down, because if they actually get back over it, they could eat my chickens, and I don't want that to happen. And then over here is for $10,000. We can get the lab, but that might be a while. No! No! Oh my god, guys. I just lost all my stuff. Frick. Stupid Tabby. I'm mad at you now. Dang it. Tabby brought me bad luck. What the heck is that? Yeah, some weird stuff is happening, guys. And now, of course, these guys, they ate. Oh my gosh. I need somewhere to store all this stuff. Because now they're gonna jump like really high because they're mad. Or something, I don't know. No! You are not eating those chickens. Buddy, no, butter. Stay in there. No, get. No, stop eating. Oh, wait, yeah, you go ahead and eat. Stop. Ow, ow, ow. Take your pogo fruit, you lousy weirdos. Now, we're going to sell all this stuff. $490. Let's go. Now, what right here? I think maybe, might want to get a silo, but, oh no, I know what I'm going to get. I'm going to get a jetpack. Okay, now guys, we are going to go get some honey slimes. So now you see I can jump now and use my jetpack. So I'm going to go show you how to get some honey slimes without actually getting a slime key. Now, slime keys you get from, oh, okay, that's actually fine down there, but. So slime keys you get from giving the, what do you call them? Giving their leader, you could say, like the big ones. Not the Largos, those ones I have back at home, but the, that one, like, glowing one, that was one of them that I'm talking about. And I'm going the absolute wrong way, so, yeah. Crap. Here. Yeah, I do not know where I am. It might take me a second. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, this is the big thing I'm talking about. If you give those enough food, you will get their cheese. You will get their a key, and you can open one of these doors with, like, I could open that one, but don't open those. Rosie. Yeah, that was my dog Rosie, if you saw her. Okay, so the way to do this is eat fudgy McNuggets. You just have to wait a second because I have to. Rose, stop it. I have to get up here like that, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna launch, and then get up here, and we are in. No keys spent. And you're going to see that we're going to get 3 different slimes, I think. Well, there's the tabby slime, and then, yep, water slime. This is one of the new slimes that you haven't, well, it's not new, but it's like new to us right now, but it's been out for a while. Those are some more tabby slimes. And this is a beautiful boom slime. Wait, you guys want to see what Puddleplore and this cat looks like? Can they eat it? Guys, I actually don't think that they can eat this Puddleplore. Yeah, they can't eat it. Well, that's kind of weird. There's one more slime we are looking for. That, I do not know what's in there. But we're going to go look for other areas. Those are stony hens. We don't need those, though. Yet, at least. I'm going to get, like, 2 of these guys for now, I think, because I do not like them, really. The bad thing is they eat meat, too, so we really need a rooster. The male of the chickens, the rooster. There it is! Let's go. Now we have a rooster. We're going to get rid of this Puddleplore because soon we're gonna find what you call a honey slime. Don't know where it is, but we'll find it soon. Now whoa, this is even more of the map. So we came from here, from that little area, all the way around. We went around, we went over there, got in, and yeah, we're all the way over here now. Oh no! Boo, those were boom slime largos. Honey ones? Yes, everyone, look at these beautiful honey slimes. Get 4 of these babies. No, 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 no. And this. Ow, you jerk. Mint. Yes. Mint mango. Everyone, Slimepedia. If we go to slimes, look at this. Perfect. We got their specialty. I mean, their favorite one. Now, if you get their favorite ones, they will actually produce 2 every time you give it to them, instead of just 1 plort per thing. So, and these things, I think they're plorts or poop, sell for like $100, I think, maybe. I'm gonna get another one of you. You're beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm not going to go down there because I think that you might be able to drown. I'm not sure. Is this a largo? Yup, that's a largo. Stay away from me, you big jerk. Ow! No, 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 no. Leave me alone. Actually, don't. Leave me alone. Yeah, so we were actually stuck there for a second. That was really bad. But I'm at, whoa, what is that? This is a briar chick. That's a different type of nut. Bro, did you actually just eat those? My gosh. Why'd you eat those? Come on, brother. Yeah, they just ate all those. So, now we're going to try and get back if we can. I'm not sure what way. Oh, yes, teleporter. Yeah, so there's teleporters all over the area, and this one just took me there. So now, guys, we have honey slimes. And I'm actually going to... straight away, we're gonna try and get some money really quick. So I'm gonna put that rooster in there. It can make some peppers.
Did you let her out, sweetie?
Not yet.
Wow, your teacher had nothing but
My
good things
goes
to
big.
say about you.
What? No.